Finding and picking up sea glass on the beach is a tradition as old as time. But in the oldest town on the Cape, visitors are seeking out gorgeous glass at the Sandwich Glass Museum. The museum has relit the fires in Sandwich, with a glass furnace for hourly glass-making presentations and new exhibits to better tell the story of the glass industry in Sandwich. The old Boston and Sandwich Glass Company facility, once the cornerstone of the glass-blowing, pressing, and cutting industries, was preserved by the Sandwich Historical Society at the turn of the century. Now a museum, the site boasts both historical and modern displays of glass art and features almost 6,000 pieces of glass produced at the Boston and Sandwich Glass Company between 1825 and 1888. While they aren't able to completely recreate that booming smoking glass factory, visitors are able to feel the heat during those demonstrations that happen every hour. Watch the glass blower turn and twist the hot glass into wonderful forms with ease. And when you do, visions of those former days will not be so difficult to understand or imagine.